Hi everyone, it's Terry for Tigard Public Library Recycle Session. Today we're going to do some fun projects with these. I get a lot of these and you can make a lot of really fun things with them. You can make them simple. I'll show you something simple. I just cut the bottom off my little water jug there and just drew all over it with markers and added some crafty stuff that I had in my craft chest. This can be a water bowl for your creatures. It can also be a planter, and it can also be a little trinket holder for various wonderful treasures that you may have in your room. I also made a flower pot. I used tape and crafty flowers, and then I put some old-fashioned fabric flowers in it. But you can also add dirt in these and plant real flowers and set them outside. They're lovely. I just use things from around the house. Tape, markers, and fabulous string. So I've shown you a simple flower pot or a water dish for your creatures, a fabulous centerpiece with fabric flowers, and remember, you can also put dirt in it and real flowers if you want to. And another thing I want to show you that's very simple that I hang outside is a bird feeder. I cut the bottom off one of these and glued it to a pie pan, and we just put string on it. I don't cut the string until I'm sure where I want to hang it. And then all you do is take your favorite bird feed. I like to give them old granola that I haven't used. They love it. And sometimes it attracts squirrels. And you pour it in. And you see? And you hang it up outside wherever you think you might have some birds or lovely creatures that would be interested in it. I use the pie pans, I glue them on, so the birds have some place to put their feet. Very simple to do. Now, cutting these things is real easy because it's very thin. Just have to puncture them with a pair of scissors or a knife. And remember, if you're a young person, ask your grown-ups about this. And then you cut it. See how easy it cuts? It cuts quite easy. You can make oodles of things out of these. You can even make 5 or 6 flower pots in a row. Plant seeds in them. And then track how each one of your flowers or vegetables grow. This piece can also be used for a scoop. It's fun to play in the sand with these. I bet you can tell how. Yeah. So it's just a simple cut, any size, and then you take your scissors and just make shapes on it. Like that. I like to make shapes because I love shapes. And you can use a hole punch to punch holes in it, to hold strings if you want to make a bird feeder. And that's really all there is to it. It's fun, it's simple. Use the kind of crafty things you have around your house and string and bird seed, and voila, you've got projects that last you for hours. I hope that you enjoyed this little session, and I'll see you soon next month where we will take something else out of my recycle bin and see what we can do with it. Bye-bye.